Hi, so today I'm going to be telling you about that time I bought a rip-off products on TEMU. So I have bought something from TEMU before. It was a hard drive I wanted to buy. And unfortunately, when it did come, it was a rip-off. It wasn't real. So what I mean by that, so let's just, for example, search up a USB flash drive, right? And if I type in USB flash drive, and there is a USB flash drive with over 500 gigabytes of memory for only $11 or $4. Now, all of these are fake. If, for example, if we search up a real USB $500 gigabyte storage, right? How much would it usually cost, right? So if I search it up on Amazon here, for example, how much would a actual USB drive that is $500 cost here, right? So for example, a 64 gigabyte one is $11, right? An official Samsung one that's 256 gigabyte is $26. So how come they're selling a 500 gigabyte one, this unbranded USB, for $4, right? So if you're wondering if it's a scam or a ripoff or not, look at the price. If it's too good to be true, then it is too good to be true. If it's $500 or $4 here for 500 gigabyte, then why wouldn't anyone just buy this, right? Now, the thing that they do here is that they give this a fake software. So it's showing a storage that does not exist. So this is a ripoff. Like flat out, it's a ripoff, right? An actual real flash disk will cost money. It's not just gonna be really, really cheap. Now, Temu unfortunately has a lot of these rip-off products, right? Something that's super cheap but won't work well. So, for example, this 8-in-1 USB hub, $4 is actually pretty reasonable, right? But it might not last as long as an expensive one. And all of the things I need you to know as well, all of these slashed prices, those aren't their actual price. This USB hub is not actually $30. They just make it like that. So it's like, wow, it's from $30 to $4.98. What a deal. This is all fake, right? So the actual price is actually $15, $8. All of these discounts and slashed prices are just placebo, right? So if you want to not get ripped off in Temu, really, really look at the price. If you're buying something cheap, then it will come cheap. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.